Hi everybody, I'm Jenny with The Artistry, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make this cotton necklace out of a t-shirt. It's really simple and easy, so let's get started. So I've got my t-shirt laid out here, and you kind of just want to make sure that it's flat and the edge at the bottom is aligned. And what you want to do first is you just want to cut off this seam over here. So then what you'll do next is you're going to cut 1 to 3 inch strips all along, and I think I'm going to do 2-inch. So I'm just going to eyeball it. This is 2 inches right here. Your strips don't have to be perfect. You're going to stretch them out anyways. So I'm just going to keep cutting those strips out. So once you've got your strips cut out, you're going to take your strips and start stretching them. So you just pull on it. And just pull it through your fingers like this. And you'll do that to each strand. So I have cut out 7 of these, and at this point you really just want to start thinking about how you want your necklace to look. Maybe you don't want 7. If you double loop them when you make your necklace, it may end up being thicker than you want. So I would go and try it out on your neck, see how many of these you want. Right now these are extra long, so when you hang them on your neck and then you wrap them over, it could be this thick. You may also want to consider at this point, these are all the same color. Maybe you want 1 or 2 strands in there that are different color. In that case, you want to go get a different t-shirt or piece of fabric and cut that and work that into your necklace. The next thing I'm going to show you is if you want a braid, perhaps you want a braid in your necklace. You want to take 3 of these then, and you're going to cut. I'm going to take the 3, these had writing in it, so you can see they're not as, there's a little wrinkle in it. So I'm going to use these and create a braid from them. So what I'll do is I'm going to cut this. And then I'm going to tie, just using a rubber band, just tie the end here. And then I'm going to start braiding this. I need something to hold this, so I'm going to get something to hold this down as I braid it. So I'm just going to start braiding here. I'm just gonna try to keep my braid as consistent as I can. Oops. And you basically just want to braid all the way to the end, or however long you want your braided part of your necklace to be, and just add a little extra to it. So I worked out the size I wanted my braid to be. This fits over my head very easily, and I have a little extra space. And I'm kind of working out the design that I want my necklace to look like. I kind of want a few shorter ones like this. And it's good to place out exactly how you want your necklace first before you cut anything else. This is the time to work in some beads if you want some beads. So let's see, I wanted to do 2 shorter ones and then 2 longer ones out here. So I'm going to take the short ones here and I'm just going to cut this. And I'm just going to place it where I want it. It's going to be kind of like this. And I'm going to make even just one a little bit shorter than the other. Just clip it for now. And then I'm going to have one longer. So I'm going to cut this here, but you want to add a little extra space here. You don't want to cut it too short. And one even longer one here. So the last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take, I have one strand left here, and so I'm going to cut that, and I'm going to tie this around this spot right here. Just make sure it's very tight. I'm going to do one more knot here. And then we can trim these a little bit. And now I'm going to use this and just start wrapping all the way around. And it looks like this fell out, unfortunately, so I'm going to just start wrapping it around while holding it. And you want to wrap it very tight. I'm going to go this way and then I'm going to go back the other way. And I'm going to just cut these excess, trim these a little bit because they're a little long. And just keep wrapping and get it all the way around. And now I've covered all my ends. And so I'm going to go around and I'm going to put this end through that loop and pull tight. And then you could just trim this off. And there you have your necklace. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.